Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Funding Value. If you like making lots of money, this is the channel for you. Click subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this content. Today I'm going to talk about uranium and the metals, some base metals, and see what they're doing, and some of the diversified miners to see if they're at buy points. And I'm going to give you my opinion on what the charts look like. So let's look at the charts, let's dive in and see what we have for uranium and metals. So the first one is TMQ. It's a copper company. It's a smaller copper company, but the chart looks absolutely incredible. Any way you draw these downtrend lines or uptrend lines, it's breaking it. So we have a nice clean break, and it's looking fantastic from a technical standpoint. I purchased it. I'm in the company, and it looks very strong. Next is TGB. And TGB is another copper company. It's called Taseko Mines. It's a smaller copper company. But look at the right-hand side. Look at the volume over here. Absolutely strong like bull. And we're moving on up. I drew in whatever these lines are, and it's cleared most of these downtrend lines, uptrend lines, whatever line you can draw in there. So this one's looking pretty good too, TGB. Here's Southern Copper. We got a nice bullish engulfing pattern, which is the body engulfs the ones before it. And we've got a nice kind of push up, pull back, and I think this is going to head higher very soon as we've cleared a lot of this congestion resistance area. So it's looking absolutely fantastic if you like Southern Copper. This is Rio Tinto, another diversified miner. Looks great. Nice little hammer here pulling up. Nice little pullback and a nice big up day, signaling that this is probably going to move to the upside. Next is BHP, another diversified mining company. It's a very large company. Bullish engulfing, big move higher. We got the pullback to the 50-day, and we've got a nice bullish engulfing right now. Looks good to go on higher. CCJ, just to show you some uranium companies, this is Camco. It's a large uranium company in Canada. We got a nice big, we'll call it resistance line going across. Broke to the upside. Looking fantastic. This could be a cup and handle pattern. Next, we've got Canalaska. This is a smaller Canadian company in uranium. Nice big pull up, the leak out of sellers down, and we broke this downtrend line. Looking fantastic. Now, will this move around short term? Tough to say. We've got a lot of momentum behind a lot of these uranium companies. I do see some companies that are doing some share dilution. And issuing shares to raise money, much needed money because they've been absolutely decimated. But maybe this trend continues, maybe not. But on a long-term perspective, it's broken the downtrend and looks pretty solid to me. Sky Harbor, this one's breaking out of this, looks like a cup and handle pattern, and it's trying to break out. Once it breaks out, we got another resistance line up here. So it's got some work to put in. Next is Encore Energy. It's kind of broke its we'll call this an uptrend line, broke to the upside. This could even be a cup and handle kind of breakout, but it's looking pretty good. I know they issued some shares, so you might see this pull back a little bit, but it's looking excellent. Next is Deep Yellow. I'm drawing this we'll call it trend line across, and it's right there ready to bump up against that. There's another huge trend line for many years at 60 cents. It cleared that one, but we still have to break this other trend line here. Next is Govx Uranium. Looks like it's bumping its head against its resistance line right here. And once it gathers some steam here, it's going to go for all-time highs. So that's looking good. Next is Cnx Resources. It's a natural gas company, bullish engulfing, and another bullish engulfing, which looks fantastic to move to the upside. Rio Resources, another natural gas company, bullish engulfing, pulling up, bullish engulfing, and bullish engulfing, which is a nice, strong continuation pattern. So that's what I have for today on updates. Uranium's looking good, natural gas is looking good, oil's looking good. All these, the base metals look good, the diversified miners look good. Everything looks good. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave comments below if you guys have any questions on anything. Thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.